Hey, welcome to The Odyssey. Here we talk about body-positive influencer, curvy fashion model, and social media starts. Today, I'm gonna introduce you to another beautiful Instagram influencer named Tana. Tana is a 29-year-old American bikini model, Instagram sensation, and social media influencer. She is celebrated for her beautiful smile, captivating looks, and engaging personality. Tana has rapidly amassed over 2.6 million followers on Instagram, where she showcases her passion for fashion, modeling, and a vibrant lifestyle. Recently, she has also joined Snapchat, where you can follow her for more insights into her life. Additionally, she is an avid traveler, having explored destinations such as Miami, Toronto, Albania, and New York, among others. You can view her travel highlights on her Instagram profile. Well, thank you for joining us today on this journey about Tana. Now, before leaving, make sure you subscribe The Odyssey and drop a like. Thank you for watching the video.